40% of all wind turbine generators in the US are made right here in this facility. And we send them back out to different parts of the US, be it Alaska, Georgia, Texas, all to give back to the renewable energy industry as a whole. The Biden-Harris administration's Inflation Reduction Act is monumentally important. To see the grand scale of it all, and to know that so many parts are made right here in this facility in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, it's a great feeling. One of the things I really love about Milwaukee is that it's one of the oldest manufacturing cities in the United States. Whenever I get to travel through the city, be it to go to work or just walking around, I always find myself really finding an appreciation for the history and the beauty that I see in the city of Milwaukee.
So Milwaukee was considered the machine shop of the world, and the Menomonee Valley was its engine. Right here where we're located at is where the Milwaukee Road Shops used to be. And it employed more than 3,000 people, one of the largest employers in the area. Around the mid-1900s is when we saw the decline of the manufacturing industry. Manufacturing processes changed and caused many jobs to move away. So over the past 25 years, the Menomonee Valley has entered a new page where there's a huge renaissance period. And this particular area is being seen as a national model of development. We are rebuilding both the economic footprint that's in the Menomonee Valley, but also the local neighborhoods. And that is thanks to a lot of the clean energy opportunities.
In 2022, the Biden-Harris administration passed the Inflation Reduction Act, and it has been a once-in-a-lifetime jolt of energy. Ingeteam benefits from the IRA in a few different ways. The first one is that it has tax credits. That means that our customers have more incentive to buy renewable energy products that are made right here in the United States. That creates unprecedented demand. The second thing it does is it creates the type of massive scale investment in workforce development to staff those new positions and take those opportunities.
I was able to find this opportunity here at Ingeteam because I was enrolled in Milwaukee Job Corps, which is funded by the Department of Labor. And they want to make sure that people like myself have the resources they need in terms of transportation, financing, housing, and food to help make sure people get into fields like this. It's a wonderful alternative to going down the path of higher education. During my 6-week internship, I got to work on the floor in the repairs division. We diagnosed all the different wind turbine generators that come in, and we send them back out to different parts of the US.
Wind turbine technician is one of the fastest growing jobs in America. In 2024 alone, I have added almost 30% new positions. Those are positions that had never existed before. They're good union supportive jobs and are being put into place specifically to meet the demand post-IRA.
My name is Sabino Garcia. I am assembly lead and I am a union steward for IBEW. You know, wind turbines, renewable energy, it's a lot to be learned. I just never did anything like this, and just the fact that we'll be doing something for the next generations to come. I'm excited. I'm proud to be part of this project.
IBEW are one of the best unions in the entire nation and are doing all they can to make sure we're represented, well taken care of, and are given every opportunity possible to grow the industry and ourselves. Sometimes when working on all these parts, it feels almost surreal to remember that all these things I'm getting my hands on, I'm going to go power cities, power schools, and help people who need it the most. I just love being able to be a part of it all. Being only 22 years old and being able to get into this industry now, I feel like I'm a good representation of this new future, of what the industry can be and what the industry can do for the community. There's residential homes being built up, there's people coming in and wanting to be here and wanting to work, and to see that change is incredible. Working on these wind generators gives me a lot of pride knowing that I can build my career, have wonderful job security, and great peace of mind knowing that I'm doing something to preserve the planet that I live on.